This is a short meditation to relax your body. Sit up straight and reach out with your head to the sky. Breathe to the fullest and do not worry about anything. Simply follow the guidance. Breathe in, breathe out. Everything that distracts you is a blessing. Use it to remind yourself to bring the attention back into your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Inhale, and when you exhale, relax your forehead. Inhale, and when you exhale, relax your eyes. Relax your nose, your cheeks, your lips, your chin. Continue relaxing your face. Relax the back of your head and imagine your head is becoming transparent and very, very light. You can slightly open your eyes so the light comes in through your lashes, but you do not see what is outside. Continue breathing in and out. And now relax your neck and your shoulders. When you inhale, inhale relaxation. When you exhale, exhale all the tension from your body. Relax your shoulders down to your elbows, down to your wrists, and exhale all the tension from your fingers. Inhale again and bring your attention to your back. Exhale and release all the unnecessary tension from your back. You are sitting upright, holding your spine straight. And the rest of the muscles are resting. You are relaxed. Now bring your attention to your chest. Inhale, and when you exhale, relax your chest. And see the relaxation flowing down to your stomach. Inhale with your stomach exhale, relax the top of your stomach. Inhale again, relax the bottom of your stomach. Inhale and fully relax your stomach. Relax your stomach and breathe to the fullest. Continue scanning your body to your hips, and from there down to your knees. Relax your knees, relax your calves, your ankles. Fully relax your feet. Continue breathing and relaxing and enjoying this relaxation to the fullest. You are alive in your body, dedicating time to yourself. And you can sit like this as long as you wish. Or if you are ready to finish this practice, simply inhale and exhale a couple of times, and only when you feel ready, you can start opening your eyes.